The Andover Innovation Lab is an opportunity for students to work on their own independent projects while they also assist teachers at the help desk. Students can come in and begin to work on a project, define some goals within the project, and through the course of a semester, work to a final presentation. While students are working at the Andover Innovation Lab, they are present in our library help desk, which gives them an opportunity to interact with other staff and assist with helping teachers with a variety of technology issues.
Teachers would come by and have trouble with like a laptop or a computer. And also I'd help with like some minor projects that they had that included technology, and they just needed some like additional help somewhere.
A lot of the teachers sometimes need help with certain things, like for example, maybe something's not connecting to the network, or they're having trouble connecting something to the Google Drive.
We also encourage students to take on projects working with teachers, updating iPad carts, and also working with them one-on-one on integrating a component of technology in their lesson, whether it's using Google or our MacBooks.
You'll notice that you can create your own class now that your account has been made.
I just created a webcast for turnedin.com to teach teachers on how to use it. I thought, I might as well help make a video, and so I got into this Innovation Lab class, and I was able to help teachers by making videos like this. It's really nice to be able to show them something that I excel in and be able to share my knowledge with them.
After students have developed an idea for their project, we ask them to develop 3 formative projects which they feel will help them on the way to their final presentation.
My project is essentially using a program called Mugen to create a 2D fighting game. So I'm essentially creating an engine for a game similar to Street Fighter, but with my own game mechanics. I'm adding my own characters in, I'm adding my own movesets, putting all these aspects together and seeing it run really well. It's kind of an accomplishment for me.
This year I've worked on like a sign-out form for the teachers for them to sign out Mac carts. I basically just used a Google Apps script to go and take a form and connect it to Google Calendar that everyone can view. And it's way better than just everyone like doing it on paper, because that way the teachers can, from their room, just sign out their cart for whenever they need.
I worked on almost like a minor business plan about how to sell these headphones I had in mind. It was an MP3 player inside a headphone set. I did everything on Google, like Google Docs, Google Presentation. I had to do different sort of things, like get drawings up, and I used different Google apps for that because it's just much easier. And the time here was beneficial because I could just focus on that one thing.
A huge part of student work at the Andover Innovation Help Desk is to reflect and blog about their experiences working at the help desk and also the process of their project development.
The process itself, it sort of helps me keep track of where I'm in, how I'm moving along in my project. For example, I'm making a game, and if I add a new aspect to the hitboxes or the mechanics, or I change up a character in the game, I'll maybe talk about that and how it helps me and what other things I'm planning to do with that in the future.
When you blog, you're basically recording your progress, so A, other people can see what you're doing, and B, it helps you keep track of your own progress and to see where you're going, see if your objectives have changed, and it really helps just to keep you on track.
Students' final presentations are ideally made in a web-based form in which they are in a Google Hangout, and we try to have industry experts in on the Google Hangout, as long as other teachers and along with other administrators who may have an impact on viewing their projects and providing real feedback. Ideally, over the next year or so, the students will be used to help us integrate technology more among students and help teachers' tech fluency using technology. We will also add additional certifications for students as part of the curriculum so that when they leave the course, they'll have additional opportunities to add to their resume with technology, but also it will also help us expand technology support for the integration of a one-to-one at the high school level.
It's an amazing experience and one that I'm very grateful to have.